It's important to maintain your websites like anything. Let's say you have a business, a brick and mortar business, you want to maintain the paint, whatever, right? But this website is the same actually, because technology evolves really fast, and often the software you're on, the platform you're on will get updates that could potentially break things and could make things not work the way you want. So that's why you want to work with a developer that helps you understand if these updates have caused some trouble and fix the issues. And also some developers can just take care of the updates for you, so you don't have to worry about anything. You don't want to leave your website there and hoping that it's taking care of itself. I highly recommend getting with a developer or an agency that offer like a maintenance package. They will take care of the backups. They'll take care of, essentially, if anything breaks, they'll jump on it. They'll monitor the website if it goes down. They could even monitor the 404. What that means is the page that are not found on your website from the search engine. So that's a really important thing to consider. How we do it for some of our clients is we have what we call a VIP plan, where we take care of everything. So if anything goes wrong, you can just pick up the phone or Slack or email. We'll jump on it really right away to fix any issues and take care of it, because essentially your website is an investment and you want to protect it. So you want to protect your investment. You don't want to wake up, and the whole weekend your website was down. So you miss a bunch of sales, you miss a bunch of leads, because remember your website is 24/7. So it's not like a business where it closed down, at 5 p.m. Your website is 24/7. So people can actually use your website at night, they can convert, they can buy product over the weekend and everything. So that's why it's key to have someone else have an eye on it.